Hello friends, now we are going to study unitary method chapter. Now this chapter is very easy. Unitary method means first we have to identify the unit value. First we have to find the unit value. Now see, on this chapter, depend on this chapter, we will see the exercise 7a. Here first question is given, exercise 7a. Weight of 8 identical article is 4.8 kg. What is weight of 11 such articles? Now see, weight of 8 article is equal to 4.8 kg is given. So weight of the one article is equal to, so divide this weight divide by number of articles. So 4.8 upon 8 kg. No need to do the division here. So this is the weight of one article, 4.8 upon 8. It is in fraction. Now we have to find the weight of such 11 article is equal to 4.8 upon multiply by 4.8 upon 8 multiply by 11 kg. So do this multiplication. 4.8 upon 8, the division will be 0.6. 0.6 into 11, so which will be the 6.6 kg. Okay, now after this we will see the question number second. Now question second is given. Question 2, 6 books weight 1.260 kg. How many books will weight 3.150 kg? So we will see the answer now. 1 kg 260 gram or 1.260 kg is given. Number of books is equal to 6. This much weight will be for the 6 books, and in 1 kg number of books, so 6 upon, divide these books 6 upon 1.260. So and in 3.150 kg number of books will be, so 6 multiply by 6 upon 1260 multiply by 3.150 kg. So this much amount of books will be there. So do this multiplication, shift the decimal point. So decimal point will be disappear because 3 decimals are there. So which will be the 6 into 3150 upon 1260. Do this multiplication. Multiplication will be 3150 upon 210. Okay, you have studied this multiplication in 3rd and 4th class. So after doing the division, 10 will be get cancelled. So 315 upon 21. So which will be the 15 books. How much books will be there? 15 books. Now we will see the question number 3. Third question is given. 8 men complete a work in 6 hours. In how many hours will 12 men complete the same work? 8 men can complete the work in 6 hours. In how many hours will 12 men complete the same work? So when 8 men can complete the work in 6 hours, so 1 man can do the work in 6 into 8 hours. 8 men can complete a work in 6 hours. 8 men can complete the work in 6 hours. So 1 man can complete the work in 6 into 8 hours. So 12 men can complete the work in 6 into 8 upon 12. 6 into 8 upon 12 hours. So which will be the 4 hours. So 12 men will complete the work in 4 hours. What the answer? Okay. Now we will see the question number third. Third question is there. Sorry. We have seen third. Now we will see the question number 4. Question 4 will be there. If 25 centimeter long candle burn for 45 minutes. If 25 centimeter long candle burn for 45 minutes, how long will another candle of the same material and same thickness but 5 centimeter longer than the previous one burn. So see the answer then. 25 centimeter long candle burn in 45 minutes. So 1 centimeter long candle will burn in, so divide this 45 minutes by 25 centimeter. So 1 centimeter long candle will burn in 45 upon 25 minutes. Now in the second time, the candle will be 25 plus 5 centimeter is equal to 30 centimeter long candle will burn in. So we will see this now. So 45 multiplied by 30 upon 25 minutes is equal to, it will burn in 54 minutes. It will burn in 54 minutes. Now question number 5. A typist takes 80 minutes to type 24 pages. One typist is there, he takes 80 minutes to type 24 pages. How long will he take to type 87 pages? Now we will see the answer. For typing 24 pages, time will require 80 minutes. So for type 1 page, the time will require 80 upon 24 minutes. How much time is required for one to type the one page? 80 upon 24 minutes. 80 upon 24 minutes. And for typing 87 pages, time is required. So one page, for one page, how much time is required? 80 upon 24. Now we have to multiply it by 87 because we have to type the 87 pages. Now 80 upon 24 multiplied by 87. So that much will be the minutes. So the multiplication will be the 290 minutes. How much will require minutes? 290. You can write this answer in hours and minutes also, and you can keep the answer as it is also. Now we will see the question number 6. Question 6 is there. Rupees 750 support a family for 15 days. Rupees 750 support a family for 15 days. For how many days will rupees 2500 support the same family? Okay, so rupees 715 can support for family for 15 days. Now rupees 1 will support for so that family will, so rupees 1 will support for, so how many days? 15 upon, write that amount, 15 upon 750 days. Now and rupees 250 will support for, okay, here rupees 1 will support for 15 upon 750. Now rupees 250 will support for 15 upon 750 multiplied by 2500. So which will be the, after doing the multiplication and division, how much will be the answer? 50 days. Got it now? Now we will see the question number 7. Question 7 is there. 400 men have the provisions for 23 weeks. They are joined by 60 men. How long will the provisions last? Okay, firstly there are the 400 men have their provisions for 23 weeks. Now one man will have provision for, so how much will be the provision? So 400 men have the provisions for 23 weeks. Now one man will have the provisions for 23 multiplied by 400 weeks. How many weeks? If only one man will be there, then how much will be the provision? 23 multiplied by 400 weeks. This much will be the weeks. And now in the second time, 60 men will be joined to them. So 400 plus firstly how many men will be there? Men were there 400 plus the 60. 400 plus 60 total 460 men will have provisions for 460 men will have the provisions for 23 multiplied by 400 upon 460. 23 multiplied by 400 upon 460, because this time 460 men will be there. So after doing the multiplication divide, 1 0 will get cancelled. 23 1 are 20, 3 2s are, so 2 1s are, 2 20s are, so 20 weeks it will support for 20 weeks. Now we will see the question number 8. Okay, question number 8. 200 men have the provisions for 30 days. 200 men have the provisions for 30 days. If 50 men left this time, the same provision would last for the remaining men in how many days? So see now, see the answer. 200 men have the provisions for 30 days. So one man will have provisions for 30 into 200. 30 into 200. So this much days. Now 50 men left. So 200 minus 50. Now how many men will remain there? 150 men will have provisions for 30 into 200 upon 150. 30 into 200 upon 150. So divide this 30 into 200 by 150, because now in this time only 150 men will be there. Okay, so do the multiplication division for this. So which will be the 40 days. Got it now? Now we will see the question 9. Question 9 will be there. 8 men can finish a certain amount of provisions in 40 days. 8 men can finish a certain amount of provisions in 40 days. If 2 men more join with them, find for how many days the same amount of provisions be sufficient. Now we will see the answer for this. 8 men can finish the provisions in 40 days. 8 men will be there, then 8 men can finish the provisions in 40 days. So 1 man will finish in, so divide these days into men. So 1 man will finish in 40 into 8 days. Now what they have given, 2 men join them, so 8 plus 2, 10 men will be there. Now the second time, 8 plus 2, 10 men will finish in. So same this multiplication in above step, 40 into 8. So 40 into 8 divided by this men, 40 into 8 upon 10. So it will be the last for, or it will finish in 32 days. Now we will see the another one question. If interest on rupees 200 be rupees 25 in a certain time, what will be the interest on rupees 750 for the same time? See the answer. Interest on rupees 200 is equal to 25. Then interest on rupees 1 will be, so find out the interest for the 1 rupees. On 200 it will be 25. So for on 1 rupees, 25 upon 200. Divide this 25 by 200. 25 upon 200. And interest on rupees 750. So we got the 1 rupee interest, which will be the 25 upon 200. Now so interest on rupees 750 will be is equal to 25 upon 200 multiplied by 750, because we have already find out for the 1 rupees interest, which will be the in above step 25 upon 200. So 25 upon 200 multiply by 750, because we have to find the interest for the 750 rupees. So 25 upon 200 multiplied by 750 after doing the calculation, which will be the 750 upon 8, then after at the last 93.75. Got it now?